Irimbira abazungu.
Amareyo we muri hese mwafurame iyo mbibutse n'abakumbura mwambwiye ko mwariye cyangwa se muzagaruka umunsi Rayon siporo izakina ntuzayoberana uzumva kagomba kanera uzumva mbere shone mehamirizo tubikesha Rayon siporo niyo kipe y'abanyarwanda yiwe uzakomeza Shimye igihugu cyanjye n'abavandimwe baje mu Rwanda rwacu rw'abanyarwanda imwe mu mbashimira
Rosa Española?
Oh, no español. Italia.
Italian?
Italia.
Buongiorno.
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 Buongiorno. Buongiorno, okay.
Buongiorno a lei.
It's a Spagnola.
No, not Spanish. Italian.
Spanish?
Not Spanish. Italian. Buongiorno.
Italian. Buongiorno.
Bravo. Yeah.
Okay. Gracias, Maires.
Grazie.
Grazie
mille.
Guarda,
uri kubyumva se ibintu bari kuvuga.
Murakoze.
Bavuze gute?
Murakoze cyane.
Murakoze.
Yavuye muri Italia.
Semura.
Baravuze ngo bavuye mu Italiyani. Italia. Baje kureba u Rwanda na Respo. Rwanda. Sasa nawapenda sana baba yangu.
We love you so much.
Of course. Rwarutabura ijambo rimwe mu cyongereza. Bwira uwo muzungu mwiza akazi ijambo ryiza.
Nashukuru sana.
Vuga ngo thank you very much.
Murakoze cyane.
Like that you are footballer. He says when you will back to Italy, you will greet the AC Milan. He says
AC Milan.
AC Milan.
FC Internazionale.
Genoa Football Club.
Genoa Football Club.
Messina.
Ok. Rwarutabura.
Subiamo, Forza Messina.
Forza Messina.
Ego, Forza Messina.
Forza Messina.
Ego.
Ok. Rwarutabura.
Forza Messina. Aleo. Umunsi Rayon siporo izakina uzumva kagomba. Yes.
Forza Rayon. Thank you very much.
I don't understand French. I understand only Italian. You speak Italy? No, and me no speak English.
Okay, excuse me. What kind of language do you use?
No, you speak Italian.
Italian.
Rwarutabura.
Buongiorno.
Ijambo rimwe mu Gitaliyani. Yaminiye.
Bavuga mu Gitaliyani.
Mwaka amafaranga mu cyongereza. Mwaka amafaranga mu cyongereza.
No, amafaranga.
Mubwira amafaranga mu cyongereza.
Okay, turabashimiye rero bakuru. Rwarutabura ukunzwe n'abantu bose b'ingeri zose. Uri umuntu mpuzamahanga. Ese we muri kuvugana neza mu rurimi mwumvikanamo neza? Tubwire.
Ndashimye igihugu cyanjye n'abavandimwe baje mu Rwanda rwacu rw'abanyarwanda imwe mu mbashimira.
Reka nari ntago kiri kumvura nta kintu kintu ngiye guta.
Okay. He says that respect should be respect. I think you came here for watching this match of today.
Of course.
Yeah, of course. How do you expect to see this match? If you don't remember well, it's Rayon versus AS Kigali. What can you tell the people who is in Rwanda, who located in Rwanda today?
Of course, it will be a great match. It will be very, very fantastic, and of course, we expect the best to win. Then for us, of course, we are supporters of Rayon Sport, the people team, and we expect the people team to give a victory to the people.
Okay, Rwarutabura. Arambwiye ngo aje no gushyigikira Rayon Sport kugira ngo ibashe gutsinda.
Ndashimira abanyarwanda, ngashimira abantu bavandimwe bakora itima Rwanda. Karibu babaze bose ko abazungu. Buri muntu barasa ariko ntabwo bihugu bavuyemo.
Wabonye umukobwa mwiza Rwaruta? Wabonye umuzungu mwiza? Gira ikintu mubwira ariko.
Okay, Rwarutabura says that you are so beautiful.
Thank you.
We love you so much. And you see that it's obviously that he kisses you. Rwarutabura is the best Rwandan football fan. Here in Rwanda, no one is better than him. What can you tell him?
I don't know about football. Sorry. But
like that you are a footballer. He says when you will be back to Italy, you will greet the AC Milan. He says
AC Milan.
AC Milan.
FC Internazionale.
Genoa Football Club.
Genoa Football Club.
Messina.
Ok. Rwarutabura.
Subiremo, Forza Messina.
Forza Messina.
Ego, Forza Messina.
Forza Messina.
Ego.
Ok, Rwarutabura.
Forza Messina, aleo.
Umusire yesipori zakina uzumakago.
Yes.
Forza Rayon.
Thank you very much.
I don't understand the French. I understand only Italian. You speak Italy? No, and me no speak English.
Okay, excuse me. What kind of language do you use?
No, you speak Italian.
Italian.
Rwarutabura.
Bonjour.
Ijambo rimwe mu Gitaliyani yaminiye.
bavuga mu Gitaliyani.
Mwaka amafaranga mu Cyongereza. Mwaka amafaranga mu Cyongereza.
No, amafaranga.
Mubwira amafaranga mu Cyongereza.
Okay, turabashimira rero.